Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Semrush keyword research strategy for 2026 step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current keyword research strategy in Semrush. Review the keywords you are currently targeting. Analyze their performance in terms of traffic, rankings, and conversion rates. Identify any gaps in your existing keyword list. Research industry trends and changes in user search behavior for 2026. Utilize Semrush's keyword magic tool to generate new keyword ideas. Filter keywords by search volume, keyword difficulty, and intent. Focus on long-tail keywords that align with emerging trends. Look at competitor analysis to uncover keywords used by top players in your niche. Explore the keyword gap tool within Semrush to identify keywords your competitors rank for but you do not. Incorporate relevant seasonal and event-based keywords into your strategy. Examine your existing content to determine where new keywords can be integrated. Update your content calendar to include the newly researched keywords. Optimize your existing pages by updating meta tags, headers, and content with fresh keywords. Run a new SEO audit using Semrush to identify additional optimization opportunities. Track your rankings regularly to monitor the impact of your updated strategy. Adjust your keyword strategy as needed based on performance data and ongoing trends. Use Semrush's reports section to generate insights on keyword performance over time. Continuously iterate on your keyword research strategy as new data emerges. Stay informed about updates in search engine algorithms that may affect keyword relevance. Engage with your audience to gather feedback on what they are searching for. By following these steps, you will effectively update your Semrush keyword research strategy for 2026. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.